Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V15 is losing suction and making an odd noise, you're not alone. This is often due to a blockage or a failing motor, which can lead to decreased performance. If left unattended, it could result in further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, and a soft cloth to clean any dust or debris. First, ensure your Dyson V15 is unplugged. Carefully use your screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back casing. Take your time and remember the location of each screw, as it will help during reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back casing off, being cautious not to force it. Inside, you will find the motor, which is typically situated near the bottom of the unit. To locate the faulty component, look for signs of wear or any unusual sounds when you test the vacuum briefly. When you've identified the motor, disconnect it by carefully pulling the cable connectors apart. Use your screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor in place. Be mindful of the surrounding components, as applying too much force could damage them. After the screws are removed, gently lift out the old motor. Now, take your replacement motor and insert it into the same position. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, making sure to tighten them just enough to hold it firmly in place without overdoing it. Reconnect the cable connectors, ensuring they are firmly attached. Before closing up the casing, it's a good idea to give the interior a quick clean with your soft cloth to remove any dust that may have accumulated. Once everything is in order, carefully replace the back casing, aligning it properly before reinserting the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After reassembling, plug in your Dyson V15 and turn it on to check if the suction is restored and the strange noise has disappeared. To prevent future issues, ensure you regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and brush bar. Keeping an eye on these areas can prolong the life of your vacuum and maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.